Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Gandi tutorial video. Today we're going to talk about a new Gandi service, simple hosting for Nextcloud. Nextcloud is a cloud storage and sharing service. You can have your own cloud storage service by installing Nextcloud on Gandi Simple Hosting. And you don't need to use any software to sync it across devices. Nextcloud can automatically sync computers, smartphones, and other devices so you can access your files and photos at any time. Don't forget, for your first Gandi Simple Hosting purchase, we offer 50% off for the first year with 50 gigabytes of storage. It's very easy to install your own Nextcloud. You just need to buy a size M or larger instance. From there, your Nextcloud can be installed in under 2 minutes. For more information, please visit our website. Now I'll show you how to install your own Nextcloud. First, click Simple Hosting on the left, then choose the host you want to install your Nextcloud on. Click on Sites at the top, and then click on the button Create a Site on the right. Enter your domain name, which will be the address of your Nextcloud. Then submit your address and the system will validate your ownership. You can only use domains registered at Gandi. Then you may need to wait for validation. Click on Activate your website address and your website space will be created. You can also click on Generate a free SSL certificate on the right, and your SSL certificate will be automatically generated and installed on your Simple Hosting instance. Next, wait for your site to be published. Refresh the page to see if it's done. Once your site is published, you'll see this screen. Now you can install WordPress or a Nextcloud service. Just click on the button Install on the right, and your Nextcloud will start to install automatically. It will only take about 1 or 2 minutes to complete the installation. Once it's done, you'll see the message, Nextcloud is installed for your domain name. Next, navigate to the web address of your Nextcloud and set up your username and password. Then you can start using Nextcloud. After logging in, choose and install the applications or apps you want.